month, we share an anonymous money confession. The purpose of that is to show that everybody from all walks of life make money mistakes. And no matter how big or small the mistake is, the most important thing is to learn and grow from the mistake. So here we go. My debt causes me constant anxiety and affects my sleep. I often feel overwhelmed and hopeless. If this sounds like you, know and be reassured that debt does cause a lot of anxiety and stress for millions of people, so you're not alone. Remember that there are systems and resources out there, a lot of them available for free, that are here to help you during this time. But if you ever were hoping or looking for a perfect opportunity to just go ahead and address that debt, May is Mental Health Awareness Month. What better time than to do that? So you could check out the link in our bio or check out this link right here, and you can reach out to us. Our financial specialists are ready to help you address that debt problem and help you create a custom action plan that'll help reduce that stress, and so you can finally have some peace of mind and some very, very restful nights.